Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. And today I wanted to make you a recommendation video for the sale which is going on Nykaa right now. So I have kept it very minimal, the recommendation list, and please I wanted to mention this, that only buy the products if you need it. Just because I'm recommending something, you don't have to buy it. So only buy the products which you actually need and which you already have in your mind from a really long time. Just buy those products and don't just go overboard, okay? So I really wanted to mention this because I know we all need someone to say this to us. And yes, so I think with that saying, let's start the video. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And yes, let's begin. Alright, so for the makeup I have two lipsticks and I'm starting with the lip product first. These are their Rouge Signature lipstick, and if you guys know me, I love these lipstick. Like if you follow me for a while now, I have been. Alright, so if I talk about the Eye Explode, it's a very nude, like very warm toned nude color, and I really love it. It's very velvety and absolutely gorgeous. Alright, next one that I have is I Choose, and this is a very pink undertone nude, and I really love it. Also, I like to wear the combination of these two lipsticks and they are extremely comfortable on the lip. Alright, the next lipstick that I have is from Makeup Revolution, and I really love this. This is in the shade Conqueror. If you're looking for a really bright red, like if you are going to get married or maybe attending a wedding, this is a really bright red shade and stays for a really good period of time. Has a very velvety yet matte finish to the lipstick, and I really love it. Alright, for your eyelashes I have two options. First is the Maybelline Hyper Curl and second is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Alright, talking about these mascara, they are my absolute favorite. So if you're looking for a lightweight daily kind of mascara, try this one. This is also a waterproof formula and I love this. Gives a very nice volume to your lashes, and also this will not make your look very cakey, because I've seen many people, they just put coats and coats on their like lashes and it just looks so disgusting. So it is not going to make you like that. Very good. And also this one, I really love it, although this will be really hard to remove, but I think it's a very long lasting mascara. So if you are going somewhere out for, let's say, 10-15 hours, this is going to be your like go-to mascara. I love it, and I love how this is volumizing on your lashes, and yes, I really love these. Alright, so as far as the makeup part is concerned, I just have these products. Like I try to exclude everything and make it very minimal and very effective as well. So you might just try these products, and I have so many makeup products to recommend, but I just wanted to keep it minimal. And let's start with the skincare part. Or no, let's start with the hair care, because I only have one product to share with you guys. So alright, so the product I'm talking about, this conditioner from L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Total Repair 5 Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. Alright, so if you are looking for a nice conditioner which gives a volume to your hair, or if your hair is very dull or very frizzy at the moment, try this, because this works so great on the hair, and it's very thick and it won't make you feel greasy or anything, and I really love this. And one thing I want to mention is always try to make a pair of like the similar shampoo and conditioner, because I think they work more efficiently. So I use this with the same shampoo, like the Total Repair 5, and it works really great. Alright, the first product is this Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Alright, now if you follow me for a while, you know how much I love this. Like this one is my absolute favorite, especially in winters. This works like magic on the skin. It's very alright. This cleanser is very mild. It's a low pH cleanser, and also it will not give you a strippy feeling on the skin. So it works really fine for a good morning cleanser or a nighttime cleanser, and I really love it. Alright, the next product that I have is again from Cosrx, and this is their AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. God, now I want to share this thing. Like I just made one video on this toner, and I did not give you guys an update or something, but I am loving this. Like I am completely in love with this thing. This works so well on my skin. It just takes care of any blackheads or any impurities that I have present on my skin. Although I don't really deal with those things in too much, because I just exfoliate my skin almost every single day. So but whenever I use this, next morning that I wake up, it's just a healthy skin that it leaves, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a beginner friendly chemical exfoliate, try this. Alright, I have two options in the moisturizer category, and first is the Innisfree Jeju Cherry Blossom Lotion, and the second one is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Alright, now talking about these two products, I know I did not include these two in any of my videos, but I'm going to talk about these very soon. And at this moment I am loving it. Like, my skin loves these two moisturizer, and especially if you belong to dry skin category, you have to give it a try. Especially this one works so well. I use this as a sleeping mask because it's really heavy and just makes your skin very hydrated, and you will not feel like you need another layer of moisturizer if you go with this as a sleeping mask. I absolutely, and this one works really well if you use it in a morning or in a nighttime skincare routine. Has a really good consistency, and it can just be good for any skin type because it will not make your skin feel greasy or oily or very heavy. So if you belong to any skin category, try this one. And I wanted to mention this two like products in this video because there's a sale, so you might just get it on a good discount. So yes, if you are planning to buy these or planning to try these two products, give it a try. And yes, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this to be helpful, and I know you must be thinking that this is the most minimal like recommendation video I've ever seen, but yes, I wanted to keep it minimal and I wanted to be very honest. And the products I have introduced are the products which I have absolutely loved, and I can just include 1000 products here right now, but I don't want to do that because I know that can mislead or misguide people in so many ways. So just be minimal and buy only the things which you actually need. And I hope this is helpful for you, and if you want to buy any of these products, do tag me or do let me know in the comments. I would be really happy to know about that. And yes, I will see you next time with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.